Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing toolbars. Of course, these are bars that you can use to add into your application. I'm going to show you how you can add several bars to your application to make it more user friendly. So this is just a simple application that I have, and then we can start adding our bars. We can start defining our bar, so we can just call it toolbar, and then we can say widget new toolbar. So in these toolbars, we're going to provide several elements. As you can see, the items, and then we can start with the first one. We can say widget dot new toolbar toolbar action. Then we're going to provide the icon. So I can say theme dot maybe what icon can we use? We can say maybe document create icon. This is just for demonstration. And then once it's clicked, we're going to just fmt dot println, and then we say document created. Then we're going to have that fmt value of type single value context. Okay. Multiple value document created. Okay, let's just create a label here. Let's create a label so that we can maybe say status label, and then we can have a widget with new label, and then we can say maybe not clicked, and then instead of doing this, we can just come here and say what am I missing here? Oh, this is supposed to be a function, right? Yeah, so we just have a function. It's supposed to be a function. Then we can say fmt dot print ln, and then we can say document clicked. Yes, so I can just leave this label there for now. And then what we're going to do is we want to display our toolbar. So we can just come here and maybe say toolbar, but it's not going to be a v-stack, it's going to be a horizontal stack. So we can run this. So we can run that and see how this looks like. Okay, this is a very simple taskbar. But so what we're going to do here is we can change the layout so that we can use new border, because it doesn't look that good. I'm going to have a nil, and then let's see how this looks like. Now when you're using this new border, you can see here the first one we have the top, and then we have the bottom. So this is how it looks like. Of course, we can put it at the top. So when I click on this, as you can see, a document clicked. When I click on it again, document clicked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this status bar so that I'm going to say status label dot set text to document clicked, and then here we can have something like can display the status label Then I can just reduce the height to maybe 200. Then we can run this. So that when I click, it's clicked. When I click, document clicked, it's already clicked. So I'm going to say when it's clicked, you can say maybe document created, and then now we can add more of this. So I can just copy this and then add another one. So document, maybe document, maybe delete icon, then document deleted, document deleted, and then I can add another one maybe for copying document, copy, I think it's copy, okay, copy, okay, let's use this cancel. Then we can say cancel document, cancel document. Then we can maybe add a spacing here. Let's say widget dot new toolbar spacer, and then we can add another one here. We can say maybe this one is going to be maybe let's say document save. So we can come here and say document saved. So let's run this and see how this looks like. Yes, so we have document created, document deleted, cancel document, document save. Then we can just come here and say, let's say we want to have the toolbar to be at the top and then the status label to be at the bottom. So we can do that, and then we can also add a separator here. We can say widget dot new toolbar separator, and then we can run this to see how it looks like. And that's how you can have your toolbar at the top, so that when it's clicked, document created, document deleted, and of course this is the separator, cancel document, then save document. So this is how you create a toolbar for your application. So I think we can just stop there for now and see you in the next video.